How's it going, folks? Patrick here again at the storage room of Phlawless Construction. We have successfully, let me take a look down there. We have successfully completed 14 doors today, all roll-ups. Let's take a closer look. Actually, let's go down a couple here. And let's open this one. As you can see, the lot work. One hand. Shouldn't be straining to open the door at all, never. Smooth operation, up and down. Like I said, let's see, perfectly locked. 14 of them, folks. We do residential, commercial, anything you can think of. You got a roll-up door, you got an overhead door. Phlawless Construction can handle it. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek at next week's work we have. We have 8 12 by 10 doors here. Let me get a look over here. These here, this building here is freshly gone up by Phlawless Construction, and next week we're putting in the doors. So today we got all commercial doors put in. Everything is completely level. Next week you will see 12 by 10 doors here. So hopefully you're tuning in to Phlawless Construction, and see you next time. Thank you.